Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for logo design. First, open Figma and create a new design file. You'll want to set up your canvas, perhaps to 1000 by 1000 pixels, which is a great starting point for logo work. Figma's interface is user-friendly, allowing you to quickly access essential tools for drawing and manipulating shapes. This collaborative platform makes it easy to iterate on your designs. Next, let's dive into Figma's core tools. The pen tool is your best friend for crafting unique, custom shapes and smooth curves, giving you incredible control. Don't forget Boolean operations. They allow you to combine or cut shapes, creating complex forms from simple ones. Play around with colors and gradients to bring your logo to life, ensuring it perfectly reflects your brand's personality and message. Once your design takes shape, it's time to refine it. Always work with vector graphics to guarantee your logo remains crisp and clear at any size, from a tiny icon to a large billboard. Carefully check for visual balance and ensure legibility, even when scaled down significantly. Finally, export your masterpiece in various formats like SVG for web and PNG for general use, ready for deployment. To create a truly impactful logo, remember these best practices. Simplicity is key. A memorable logo is often one that is easy to recognize and recall. Always test your design in black and white to confirm its strength and versatility without color. Lastly, seek constructive feedback from at least 3 different people. Fresh perspectives can reveal areas for improvement you might have missed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.